Have you ever met a celebrity who asked you, "Do you know who I am?" and you said no? When I was 11 or 12, my parents took me to Washington, D.C. We were returning to California via Dulles International, and our plane had a radar problem. We ended up sitting on the plane for a couple of hours while they tried to fix the issue. They gave up because the noise abatement rules were going to shut down the airport soon. By the time the buses rolled up to take us to a new plane, half the passengers were sauced out of their minds. The plane had turned into a bar at 1:30 a.m. on a Saturday night. The buses were those people movers that can raise themselves to the height of the plane's doors, and I ended up sitting between an older woman on my left and a young girl on my right. The woman was clearly a few drinks under and turned to me, saying something like, "Here's a handsome young man wearing a bow tie," and she fussed with my tie a little before saying, "And it's not a clip-on. How wonderful. What's your name?" And I answered, "Brian," to which she asked, "Do you know my name, Brian?" I was about to say, "No," but then I heard the father of the girl on my right tell his daughter, "That's Princess Leia's mother." That made Debbie Reynolds laugh, and she said, "After all my years in Hollywood, my legacy in the film industry boils down to being Princess Leia's mother." She was very pleasant.